Hello everyone, welcome to the news now with Anmol Mattu. Today we will talk about top 20 highlights of 2021 from state to international level. Starting from first, javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra made history on August 7, 2021 by winning gold-capped Olympian. Neeraj was also enlisted as a junior commissioned officer JCO and presently designated as Naib Subedar in the Indian Army. Indian hockey ends 41-year wait for Olympic medal. Indian team fought like warriors and ended India's 41-year wait for an Olympics medal in hockey. India beat Germany 5-4 with a lion-hearted performance to win the bronze medal in Tokyo. The Indian badminton ace has added another Olympic medal to her already glittering. India's PV Sindhu defeated her Bi Jingjiao of China to win the women's singles bronze medal at Tokyo Olympics. With this win, Sindhu became the first Indian woman to win two individual Olympic medals. India won 19 medals at the Tokyo Paralympics, 5 gold, 8 silver, 6 bronze. Shooter Avni Lekhara became the first Indian woman to win 2 Paralympics medals. Bhabina Patel became the first Indian table tennis player to win a Paralympic medal and Harvinder Singh mirroring the feat in archery. Shooter Avni Lekhara, however, was a standout name as she became the first Indian woman to win a Paralympic gold medal. Sundar Singh Gujjar finished behind Devendra Jajaria to win the bronze medal in the men's javelin throw F46 category. Australia win their first T20 World Cup after 8-wicket victory over New Zealand. Clinched their maiden T20 World Cup title, crushing New Zealand by 8 wickets in the final at the Dubai International Stadium. Chasing a target of 173, Australia won the game with 7 balls to spare thanks to half-centuries from the Mitchell Marsh and David Warner. One of the most awaited match in 2021 was between India and Pakistan, for which whole India was curious and excited. But the fans, however, got disappointed as the Pakistan beat India by 10 wickets in the ICC Men's T20 World Cup in 2021 to register their first win over India in World Cup history. The Chennai Super Kings won the IPL title 4 times in 2010, 2011, 2018 and 2021 and have the highest win percentage of matches among all teams in the IPL, 59.83%. Mahendra Singh Dhoni played his part to perfection in an extraordinary script as he led Chennai Super Kings to the 4th Indian Premier League title, outwitting Kolkata Knight Riders by 27 runs in a one-sided final. One of the biggest highlights in sports was IPL, which was played in 2 parts in 2021. The tournament was suspended indefinitely after a rise in COVID-19 cases. The first one was 9 April to 2 May. The second one was from 19 September to 15 October 2021. At the time of suspension, 31 of the scheduled 60 matches were still left to be played. Later on 29 May 2021, BCCI announced the remaining matches of the tournament would be played in the United Arab Emirates in September and October 2021. Veteran Indian spinner Harbhajan Singh announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. The off-spinner took to Twitter to make the announcement and also shared his video on YouTube in which he explained the reason behind his decision. Indian pacer Abhimanyu Mithun also retired from all forms of cricket at the age of 31. R. Vinay Kumar, Yusuf Pathan, Naman Oja and many international cricketers like A.B. de Villiers from South Africa, Dwayne Bravo from West Indies and Asghar Afghan from Afghanistan and many cricketers announced their retirement in 2021. New Zealand's tour of Pakistan abandoned just before first ODI due to security reasons at the Pindi Cricket Stadium. New Zealand Cricket confirmed that the decision was taken after receiving a security alert from the country's government. Just a few minutes away from the toss in the first ODI, It was revealed that the players were asked to go back to their dressing rooms. The fans were also disallowed from entering the stadium. Mithali Raj became the first Indian woman to score 10,000 runs in an international cricket across all formats. Mithali Raj reached the milestone in the ongoing third one-day international ODI against South Africa in Lucknow. The Indian ODI skipper scored 36 runs before being dismissed by Anne Bosch. Mithali has scored 6,974 runs in ODIs, while in the T20s she has 2,364 runs to her name. The 38-year-old right-handed batter has also scored 663 runs from 10 test matches. Mithali is now the second international cricketer to score 10,000 runs across all formats. New Zealand's Ajaz Patel became the third cricketer to scalp all 10 wickets in an innings. The left arm spun a web around India's batting order and bowled 47.5 overs, conceding 1,119 runs. New Zealand bundled out India for 325 on the second day of the second test at the Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. The tireless efforts of Jammu and Kashmir Sports Council ensured that more than 8 lakh athletes created new sports environment across the Union Territory. The medal tally of J&K at the national level competitions in the 14 gold disciplines was outstanding. 73 gold, 90 silver and 146 bronze medals. The emergence of sensational speedster Umran Malik, rise of promising, stylish and gritty gymnast Bhavleen Kaur at the national scene, para-athlete Chandeep Singh's heroics at the World Games, Atul Pangotra's brilliance at international level, the duo of Kuldeep Handu and Krupali Singh's role as chief coaches of India in their respective sport disciplines, and above all, the selection of the trio of Sarla Devi, Arya Thakur and Bhavandeep Kaur in prestigious Challengers Trophy were a few highlights which every member of sports fraternity of the UT ought to be proud of. Coming towards the ICC rankings of the players in 2021, the test batting rankings, Manas Labuschagne topped from Australia, and from India, Rohit Sharma stood at the 5th place. In the test bowling rankings, Pat Cummins topped number 1, followed by Ravichandran from India. All-rounder in test match was Jason Holder, second was Ravichandran from India. And in T20 innings from batting, David Malan gained number 1 position from England and Lokesh Rahul from India gained number 5th position in innings. In bowling, Wanindu Hasaranga from Sri Lanka gained number 1 position and no Indian bowler stood in the queue. In all-rounder, Mohammad Nabi from Afghanistan attained number 1 position, and again no all-rounder from India stood in the queue. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. He said the decision was taken respecting the sentiments of the citizens across the country. The Khel Ratna Award is the highest sporting honor in the nation. The prestigious award carries a prize money of rupees 25 lakh. Lionel Messi fulfilled one of his biggest dreams in 2021, and that's something even though the football great admitted that he didn't know if it's the best year of his life. That's what he said after winning the record-extending 7th Ballon d'Or in November. In an eventful year of the little genius, winning the biggest individual award in football was not his main goal. Messi indeed said that he now has peace of mind. The 10th Olympic Summit was held online on December 11, 2021, during which the summit declared to stand firmly against any politicization of the Olympic Games and sport. The summit also welcomed the Beijing Winter Olympic Truce Resolution, which was adopted by consensus and co-sponsored by 173 member states at the 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly. Italy's men's football team won the European Championship after beating England in the final after a penalty shootout on July 11. With 7 straight wins, the Azzurri brought home the Euro title for the first time since 1968. Day 1 final against England at the UEFA Euro 2020 in London, Britain. Italy's men football team won the European Championship after beating England. Novak Djokovic calendar slam bid. Amid cancellations and postponements due to the coronavirus pandemic, 2021 witnessed all 4 Grand Slam events as tennis made a triumphant return to normalcy. And one player who captivated the world with his relentless pursuit of excellence with Novak Djokovic. The 34-year-old was chasing tennis immortality in 2021. He missed it by that much again after 2015. That's all for today. For more, stay tuned with the news now.